Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to share with you how I make yogi tea. It's a pretty rainy day, so I decided I'd make some tea and do some sewing. And if you don't know what yogi tea is, it's a wonderful drink that originated in India and was brought to the West by a yoga practitioner. All you need to get started is to fill up a pot of water and bring it to a boil on the stove. The drink has 6 ingredients, all of which have different benefits to help your body stay healthy. For the ingredients, you'll be needing some ginger, cloves, black pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon sticks, as well as black tea. If you would like the full recipe, you can check it out at casbahlifedotcom. A link to my blog is in the description box below, and I also will list in that blog post the different benefits of each ingredient. With the cardamom, you want to split the pods open by crushing them with a knife, and for the ginger, you want to slice them into little coins. Be careful if you are using a sharp knife. As your water comes to a boil, you'll want to drop in all of your 5 ingredients, and for the last step, you want to add the black tea. Here I'm using loose leaf, but you can also use a tea bag. Add that to the pot and let everything boil for about 5 minutes or so before lowering the heat and simmering for 30 minutes. Don't forget to set your timer, and now all you need to do is wait. In the meanwhile, I decided to work on sewing a face mask since we are in the middle of a pandemic and everyone is wearing them to be safe. I got some assistance from my mother, and together we made a version of the face mask from Crafty Corner. I will link her YouTube channel below, as she has a really simple step-by-step tutorial if you're interested in making one for yourself or any of your family and friends. While I've been home, I've been working on a bunch of projects like this. As you may know, we're not really going out, so it's been really rewarding to create more during this time. Although it was an easy project, I still messed up a little, but that's life. At least with sewing, you can use a stitch ripper and just try again. So here's the final face mask, and this is what it looks like. When you brew this tea, the whole house smells like delicious cinnamon and ginger. Once it's done, you can strain it, and I usually keep it in a big thermos so it stays hot the whole day. If you want, you can even boil more water directly in the pot with all the ingredients for a second time, making 2 batches of tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know. I'd love to hear how it goes. Stay healthy and safe, and I will see you next time.